You would naturally experience a sense of great personal loss if you found your home broken into and valuables stolen, damaged or destroyed. Whatever the cause, how would you repair your home and replace your belongings? Home and contents insurance can provide the resources to repair and replace property and even protect you against legal liability if someone is injured or killed on your property. Policies can include cover for damage to your building or contents caused by storms, burglary or theft arising from a forced break-in and vandalism or malicious damage, flood, fire or explosion, earthquake, hail, wind or water damage. The policy can also cover your liability for third-party injury, loss of life and more. Since insurance benefits vary between policies, we can help you find the cover that's right for your situation. Exclusions, limits and deductibles apply. Get started by contacting us today.